Encore is a third-party client for the Luxor Casino. When we first started this project, the entire room had a very low luminosity. It was very hard to be able to control the system in the room. Working with Westgate has been a great experience. Open communication, go into great detail on what they've done to utilize and keep us in the loop. A lot of rerouting, a lot of tracing had to be done in a much older facilities building like this that didn't have any blueprints or red lines, but the team were able to knock that out very fast and were able to make those adjustments into their current plan and didn't even skip a beat. Everything's been working great so far of how we've been able to utilize with the Control 4. We have a wide range of being able to utilize different looks throughout the entire room. And the easy platform and the easy access with the touch panel screens has been able to set our presets very easily. I would definitely recommend Westgate. They hit a timetable faster and more efficient than we even expected. The outcome and what we needed to use it immediately after for a very important event, and I would highly recommend them.